Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe because awesome, great things happen over this way and you don't want to miss out. Like, just go ahead and subscribe basically. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video, like as y'all can see, I'm very excited because we hit 10,000 subscribers. Okay, y'all. So I'm so excited. I've literally been excited since I hit 10,000 because I'm like, I cannot even believe it. Like, these are like small accomplishments that I'm just like, I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. Like, and like, thanks to you guys for subscribing and supporting me. Like, I appreciate it so much. I love talking to y'all in the comments and in the DMs and stuff. Like, y'all the best. Like, and I be saying y'all in the comments sometimes, like when people try to jump fly and I be like, the tribe is a little sassy. But I really do appreciate you guys, and in honor of it, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. And one of the things that I'll be giving away is a sweatshirt like this. So guys, we have merch. The tribe has merch. It's very limited. I wanted to do something like to just appreciate you guys and to just like throw a little of my creativity out there for you, and came up with these tops. So obviously we're the tribe. That's what I call you guys. That's our little community, and it's basically what I've come up with is a community of luxury connoisseurs. Like, whether you have luxury, you aspire to have it, we're all a part of this community, and there's different levels and different heights to it. So there's no one too small or too big to be part of the tribe. So we got merch and we got a little definition, child. So these will be available for sale. I'm going to give away 2 of them. I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to do it, but it's going to be something very simple, very easy. Check my Instagram when you're seeing this video, because I will have the giveaway instructions posted on my Instagram. So go to my Instagram. It'll probably be in my story to figure out how to enter. The site for the shirts will be live, so it will be linked down below for you to purchase and get you some tribe merch, because awesome and great things happen over this way. Okay, so enough of that. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video, child, because I'm still like, I'm excited. I'm excited for this season. Like, I'm excited. Like, I'm really excited. Let's just go ahead and get started. It's Christmas time, my favorite time of the year. And what besides my birthday? That's like a whole period of time for me. Like, I'm a birthday and Christmas celebrator. Like, I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox one of my Christmas gifts a day early. Okay, so let's just get the unboxing. So we got a cute little Louis Vuitton package. Listen, I went in the store and I told my SA, I love her so much, she the best. I was like, listen, I want the holiday packaging, give me all the bells and whistles, like hook me up, because that's what I want. So that's what we got. I actually was not expecting to get this purchase because it had been sold out for a little minute, and I didn't know that it had came back in stock. So that's just a whole nother story, but we got this item here in person, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Take out the bag. I just like this bag, like it's cute. Whoops. Okay, and then it's just the box, and I like that the ribbon, you can just slide it off, because I really want to like still, I like to keep my packaging. Like, I like to keep everything new, like, so yeah. Open it, and it's this little guy. Ooh. Okay, let's just sit that there. And it's so small, but so cute. I got the Petit Sac Plat. Guys, this bag, just so cute, and I feel like it's just such a vibe, and it's just so me. Like I said, I wasn't expecting to get it because I was just like, oh, it's sold out, don't know if it's gonna come back, whatnot. But it ended up, you know, coming back into stock, and here we are. So this is the bag. It is very small. I got it in monogram. I know that my sister actually got it in the black epi, which was super cute because it was the epi leather with Louis Vuitton down here, and it was black. Very cute. It was actually the last one in the store. So me and her were going back and forth on getting these items. So yeah, she probably didn't want me to tell y'all because I opened mine early, but there's that on that. So this is the bag. The inside of it is very like narrow, as you can tell, as you can see here. And it doesn't hold a whole lot. Like, this is my hand and my nails, and this is how big it is. Like, it's not a huge bag. It's literally just something. It's like a clutch. It does have a long strap that attaches, and it already has the little buckles here, so you don't have to attach it to the, you know, this part, the buckles on the strap. Like, it actually has its own place, which I like. But at the same time, I guess you could wear it on the other side if you wanted to, but I like that it already has a place for it so that you aren't, you know, double using the straps. But I'm gonna just attach it. But okay, so yeah, here's the strap, and it does fit crossbody just a little, like so. And this is like my hip here. So it fits crossbody, but it doesn't like hang all the way low, but it does fit crossbody. It is like one of those bags that it's more of a shoulder bag, but you can wear it crossbody depending on how you like your crossbodies to fit. Me, as long as it like crosses my body and it's not like up here, I'm gonna wear a crossbody. So I can get crossbody wear out of this, so that is good. Let's see what else. So there is this little pocket, if it'll focus, here in the inside that could fit, like, you know, cards or something if you don't want to like take or fit a wallet or anything inside. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys what fits in this bag. When I tried it on in the store, it was not a whole lot, but I expected it, obviously, because of the size. And it's really just like a clutch for me. Like, it's to me not really an everyday bag. I mean, I guess it could be. It's totally dependent on you. So I'm gonna put my card holder in here, which has already taken up space. I'm gonna slide my phone in here. And then I would put my key holder. This is the other thing that I would carry. But honestly, with my phone in here, as you can or kind of see, it's already taking up space. So there's not a whole lot of space. Maybe I can put like a lip gloss here on the side. Let's see. My key holder would definitely not fit at all. Like, it wouldn't fit, so I would have to take my key out of here, and it would definitely it would fit in here, certainly. So let's just take my key ring off, my key off the key ring, and it slides in the inside, and that's literally all that fits in here. So it doesn't fit or hold a lot. There's no zip closure or anything, but it is like tight, so I don't anticipate it like stretching out too much because the sides are kind of firm. I guess if you stuffed it with more things and forced the sides out, then you could do that. But naturally, I don't see this wearing and loosening up that much. I mean, it is pleather, fake leather. So it could wear, but it is structured on the side, so that's that. It doesn't fit a whole lot. If you'd want to fit more things in here, you definitely have to consolidate and take things out of, you know, compartments. So I would take my ID and like a card out and slide it in here with my phone, a lip gloss, and then my keys and leave it at that, because like the bag is small, it doesn't hold a whole lot, but I absolutely love it and I think it's so cute. I'm actually looking forward to wearing it without the strap because I just like the way that it looks. Let's take this off. I'm looking forward to wearing it like this. And I'm gonna buy, well, I have a Twilly. I don't even know if that's what Louis Vuitton calls them, but I have one that I have on my box that I'm gonna take off and wrap on this one just to see how it looks. And then I'll probably end up getting one for this bag specifically because I just like the way it looked, and I just think it adds a little extra flavor. And plus, I love the unaged, untouched vachetta. Like, I wish it could just stay like this forever, but I know that it's not gonna stay like this. It's gonna wear and it's gonna age over time. And in several years, this will be like a little vintage bag. And it'll be so cute. Like, I'm here for it. So this is really how I'm looking forward to wearing it. Now with this strap, I do like that it is obviously detachable, so I can add this onto another handbag that I have. I don't really know which bag. Oh, I can put this on one of my clutches or one of the bags from my multi-pochette accessoire. This could definitely go on one of those bags and make it a crossbody, which would be super cute. Or, you know, just any other small bag or any other bag. You can also put this on the Almas and go on about your day. So I love these interchangeable straps that comes with these bags nowadays. I feel like that's the move and that's the wave. Everyone's doing it and I'm just like here for it. Like, I love that. So again, I'm super excited about this bag and I think it's so cute. So this bag retails for $13.60 before tax. That's USD. So that's how much it was. And I'm trying to see if I have my receipt in here, but I don't think so. So it's like 14 something with tax as of right now. And I believe that I'm pretty sure it's still available as of right now. So you should definitely be able to get it if this is something that you're looking for. Also, it's crazy because if you ever see something that's out of stock, keep checking. Literally the day before I got this bag, which was 3 days ago, it was sold out, unavailable online. I literally checked the next day and it was in stock. And I just so happened to be in the mall already and went and they had 2, 3 in the store. So always, you know, double check, contact customer service if there's something that you want and it says it's sold out or unavailable, or connect with an SA to see if maybe it's at a store somewhere. Because sometimes, well, usually the inventory that's online is not the same as in store. So there's a chance that it's out of stock online and could be in a store somewhere. There's a possibility of that. So bear that in mind. So I think that's it. Pretty sure that's gonna be it for this unboxing. I really am excited to see my other gifts and to share them with you guys. I can't wait. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, drop a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I'll see you in the new video. Oh, this shirt that I'm wearing is a medium. It's a size medium for your reference. So yeah, I just have the sleeves pulled up, but they come all the way down. So yeah. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get the notification when I post again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.